Are you okay? I need to get the first aid kit. Gotta pull the nails. Time to pull the nails out.
Okay.
Gotta clean the wound.
Okay.
Just have to wrap it up, and that's it. Gotta call someone to bring the sheep home.
All right, I'll be there right away. Let's get in the car.
Let's go!
Huh?
Hello?
Let's get the truck to lift the sheep up.
Let's go!
Stay here, sheep.
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
Time to get some grass for the sheep. Is the little lamb feeling better?
Time to shear the sheep. Time to dry it out.
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
Time to bring the wool hat to Mr. Bear. I've got a gift for you, sir.
Thank you!
Let's go! The orange tastes so good.
Let's go.
Okie dokie!
Oh, no!
What should I do? We need to call the rescue team.
I copy that.
Armed robbery in progress.
Help me! Help me!
We're en route now.
Oh my gosh! Oh no!
I can't push it anymore. I'm so tired.
Oh no!
Let's run.
Hey you! Stop!
I surrender. You've been caught.
Hey, what's it taking so long?
This is your key.
Thank you!
Ah, spaghetti meatballs and pizza pie.
Thank you very much.
Let's go!
Oh my gosh!
The vehicle is stuck.
Oh no!
What should I do? We have to call for help.
Rescue Garage. How can I help you? Yes, I copy that. We'll initiate the recovery protocol immediately. The monkey is our priority.
Hey, over here. Let me help you. Thank you very much. Goodbye, my friend.
Let's go!
Huh?
Oh no! We have to cut the tree down.
Aha!
What's it taking so long?
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
Finally, it's done.
With the path now clear, the young macaque confidently takes the wheel, ready for the journey ahead.
Let's go!
Fresh melons right here, best in the village.
Okay.